Hello everyone and welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. So today I kind of want to focus on a couple of house plants I call miracle plants. This one right here is a ZZ plant, or Zamaculicas Zamifolia. I can't pronounce that, so I guess the last part I can pronounce, Zamifolia. But anyway, what's special about this plant is this piece here. So you can see this plant, this is one little plant here. It had broken off my main plant, and I believe I had just potted it in soil, because I think it had a little bulb here with a few roots. There's a bulb at the end of the stem. And so you're probably wondering, hey, what's so miraculous about that? Well, this stem has been in this pot for at least a couple years. And I just kept watering it, and it's been under my grow lights in the basement, but I just kept watering it because it remained green. So I knew it was still alive, and I'd go down there, check on my plants, give it a little water, give it a little water. And these don't need it. These ZZ plants don't need a ton of water anyway. So just about a week or so ago, I came down here and I was, I think, watering my succulents, checking on the other plants that I have down here, and I looked over and I saw, boom, it sprouted a new plant. Look at that. So I guess I kind of want to say is that just don't give up on the plants. If it's green, it's staying green for a long time. It's still alive. So it may be able to come back. And this could be even for outdoor plants also, garden plants, whatever. So yeah, it's sort of like a little miracle plant. I think it's pretty cool, actually. So you can see it there. I don't like this potting soil. It might have been a reason why it struggled and died back in the first place. As you can see, I never cut the end off here. That's the dead part of it. But this potting soil stinks. It seems like it's mainly made for orchids or something. So as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to transplant this. But right now I'm going to let it get bigger, keep watering it. And there's another plant I want to show you that I call another miracle plant. So the other miracle plant I want to show you is this Pothos. And the name for that, the scientific name, botanical name, is Ipaprinumum arum. I can't pronounce these names at all. Anyway, so what's so special about this Pothos, right? Because they're everywhere, just a Pothos. Well, so what's so special about this is when the pandemic started, I had a Pothos plant in a jar of water in my office. Well, we couldn't go back in the office for like 6 or 7 months. So by the time I go back in the office, of course, all the water's dried up. The plant is completely dead, no leaves. All the roots are gone. But I noticed that the stem was still green. So I said, well, this stem is still alive, right, if it's green. So I brought it home and I put it in this vase here. And a little leaf came out. Boom, the leaf died. I'm like, ugh, and it started to get a little rot. So I cut the rot off, put it back in the water. So eventually, the leaf came out, boom, got full and big, right? Of course, started forming roots. I can't remember if it started forming roots at first, but anyway, either got roots and then the leaf came out. I think the roots started first, then the leaf came out. Sorry. So, and now look at it; it's pretty big, and it needs to get potted in dirt. I've had it in this thing of water for a long time, and if you don't change out the water a lot, it's not good for you. You need to change out the water all the time so the air keeps flowing. But yeah, so don't give up on your plants. As long as they're green, they're still alive. And this thing was green without water for months and months and months, so it's really amazing. These are probably like one of the toughest plants, I think, in the world anyway. It just seems like it is to me. Probably wherever it grows, it probably just grows everywhere. So yeah, as you can see, I have other things growing there. So a snake plant, this is a snake plant. You can always root them. If it breaks, stick it in water. It'll eventually grow roots, and you can pot it up. And this is a plant somebody else gave me. It's not doing so well. Probably going to rot again. I think it's called a mustache plant or something. I kept trying to root this one, and it keeps rotting. I'm not sure why. The other ones I've put in the water have actually rooted, and I've planted them up. So, but anyway, that's just the lesson for today. Don't give up on your plants. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.